butter items. So that our protein supplement will be nourished consistently. Don't have to eat much non-vegetarian food so occasionally. Otherwise I consumed 500 grams of fish 2 days prior to today. Bicycling also consume a lot of protein, and if we are saving fuel cost, it doesn't mean all the money will be filled in our pockets. We have to buy more and more proteins. And it can't be compensated so easily just by saving fuel prices. And most of the vloggers saying that I am just bicycling for sake of entertainment or fitness purpose. It's not like that. For fitness, anyone can join a nearby gym and listen to music there. Try to be friendly with more and more human beings. Out here, you are lonely enough, and just traveling towards faraway place to save cost of daily supplements. Even if it is food or snacks. If we are regular enough, then we can ride continuously on all the uphill portions of the stretches. But if you are not riding continuously, then you have to walk along the path. That is the only difference. Otherwise, protein is being consumed in the form of calories. Even if you are walking with a bicycle or just strolling around the city, every base stations of mountains have become towns filled with immense population explosion. Even then, some illiterates think that people living near the hill stations or tourist places are more prosperous and happy, and their life is less hectic, and so they watch their social networking sites or blogs with fun and mock them. Most of them block and ignore their concerns also. I think that most of these people have invested in long-term or short-term fixed deposits they are earning. profits. But it is the other way around. The more developed cities are filled with lazy men to keep on rents also rent income. But they are applauding that they have got rid of this pandemic. Ignoring other kind of pollution which is everywhere. So even when I was living in more polluted city, my thoughts were the same. That's why we managed to cope these kind of troubles and receive positivity. But these Indians, especially living in metro cities, are extremely arrogant. That's why they deserve all kind of pandemics also. And they think that DRDO will protect them from nuclear bombardments. That is the foremost reason of their arrogance. How it is possible that from generations other cities will keep on living for the sake of these metro cities and try to protect them during times of World War. But they are living in that kind of myth, and you can see that all the missile protection plans are governed by me only, even when I am living outside my hometown. So there is no reason to keep that overconfidence in your mind that you have that much privilege also. You have a privilege of a transportation system, and you have privileges of international airports, but it doesn't mean that other people living in smaller towns are not well eligible enough. You got that just because thousands and millions of people sacrificed their blood money, and then they agreed to move out of the cities also. But you are still trapped in that because of arrogance and fever blood in your bodies. And now you will start believing that okay, it was your destiny, that's why you were forced to kicked out of the town, and there is no relevance or significance of corruption. So you will keep on believing and emphasizing on those facts to phase out the part of the layer which is so much visible from outside, which is rotten, and that layer has so much become embedded in your bodies, and hemoglobin in the cell's mitochondrion, but it can't be deleted. It is not possible. Even if you will die, you will take birth in that hell only. So there is no sense in keeping some hope for yourself. You have to kill yourself, sacrifice your own children. At least some of them can be seen from outside world when you send them photographs of your nude wives moving here and there in more and more tourist places across the country. Then your children will feel confident and proud that your parents managed to get 2 or 4 or week long holiday with the black money which you have grabbed, torturing the poor people everywhere and giving them much less salary than the stipulated limits, and keeping child labor in your houses and sleeping all the day, all the night. So I will turn towards the left in order to move towards sector 11 so that I can buy some food articles. I will show you the whole journey if it is possible. The dog or pig pictures are not shown, then I will show you the whole journey. Some kind of spectacle logo pictures are there. If I will turn from the national highway, then it is a chance that lesser number of dog pictures and pig pictures will be shown. But if I will travel from the straight road, then it will be difficult to continue non-stop because I have to pause or keep a clip. So I am pausing this broadcast. It is a better choice. So I have already turned towards the left on the national highway. And these bridges are existing from 2012. But even then, the probability of dog and pig pictures can't be ruled out. So I will pause the broadcast here only. As I was telling you, pollution in Delhi.wordpress.com was posted during 2007 AD, and then on each blog action day I used to post some content like poverty and climate change, which got approved by OFCHR and blog action day. There was another blog action day on 15th of this month. Even Spotify approved my blog, including many international newspapers like New York Times. Namo dog was crying, you might have seen. Turn towards the right. There are many options to buy grocery objects from sector 20, where I owned a mobile repairing company during 2011. But it will consume more time and good quality. Peanut butter is not available there. Even I used to buy Skippy from Easy Day, which has already been extinguished from past 1 year, and it was not possible to compensate that shock also. Because of these policies, I have turned towards the right. There is a picture of Namo dog there on existing petrol pump. That too from 10 or 11 years. And this bridge was constructed during 2011 and 12. But all these flash cops are waiting on top of this bridge to promote that it was constructed recently only, and high speed cars are moving which are manufactured in Surat after getting charging points in houses installed by Tesla, which is an Indian company. Since Mr. Tesla, a great scientist who discovered EMF and other laws of electricity, was born in Bhavnagar, a Gujarati territory. These kind of mass hysteria is being promoted by these flesh cockroaches belonging to Mosque Demolition Group, which can't be authenticated as a political party till extinction of Earth 1. When I had a plan to buy a small car for daily commuting, even when I had a large sedan car equipped with CIDI least pollution engine, so that any kind of instinct can't be promoted. Then I had contacted Reva also, which was a collaboration for electric vehicles in 2011. But they insisted to send an advance payment through the draft after selecting the color and model. I said I can send 50% of the money, but I will not send the whole money. The Bangalore office denied that offer. At least that company was collaborating with mass hysteria type advertisements from Bihar, that no other engines were so much equipped for the soil, and it was not possible to lift in 8 seconds. New kind of hydraulic powered technology has been invented recently from Surat, and it got transferred towards Bihar. At least that company was manufacturing with collaboration. And now you are believing that Tesla is an Indian company just because of Namo dog or fake sheep and more pigs with Miss Yoga mass hysteria. Even when you know that when I visited Planet M during 2007, when I migrated here and received a mobile gift voucher also, there also I witnessed some yoga DVDs, but I had to buy some Scrabble for my Sony laptop, and whenever I attended PTM in Pinjore, we used to play Scrabble on the center table and wait for our turn for about half an hour. That Sony laptop was purchased during 2007 March or 2008 January. obviously laptops are imported only. There is no science in assembling any laptop here because it is not possible to unscrew anything received from China or Japan or America. It is not possible to assemble also. Even the corrugated box can't be manufactured here because that will humidify the products, contents of the products. But some stickers are being posted as influenced by Namo Dog or Fake Shiv, containing lion, so that the real Vaishno goddess name can be spoiled. Even when you are using toilet papers, some lion pictures will be posted there. And in the hospitals also, developed by Shrine Board, Katra, pictures of Namo Dog are being posted so that the name of Vaishno goddess will be spoiled. Because Vaishno.in was registered during 2009 and 10. So it has become inevitable by flesh Indians or cockroaches to perform these kind of. It is easier to broadcast and ride simultaneously after thunderstorm because all of the banners bought by the blood money of Indians have been washed away or flown away. So I can broadcast continuously and smoothly without so much hindrances or obstacles. Now I will move towards that grocery object shop and buy some thing as I had already mentioned. This video is being recorded at 30 fps on my FateSpark camera. Any kind of numeric mass hysteria can't be ruled out because these flashes might be detecting my language and vocabulary and topics of discussions also. After buying bread I am riding towards my house. Past 14 years, the owners of these grocery shops are not living here. They live in England, Canada, New York, Washington, everywhere across the world. Globalization is when rich person settled outside the world don't want to interact, don't want to mutually collaborate with any kind of businesses. It is a better option to intentionally let them feel that we are so much humiliated after interacting with them. Because that attitude is constant across all the geographical locations. Exceptions are always there. Those exceptions like us are suffering.